everything we did week 1 to turn this $10 Facebook Marketplace car into this cute Volkswagen bus for my daughter. As soon as we got home, I washed the crap out of this thing, literally bird poop. Also, learn from me and save some time. Take the car apart first, then wash it because there was so much junk in the cracks. As that was drying, I went to go pick up my paint. I picked up this Krylon paint with built-in primer and it had no problem going over the top of the car. I could not get some of the hardware off of this car. It was so old and I think just like crusted on. So anyways, I just covered it up and it turned out fine.